Okay. Hi. When I say there is no time and space, and therefore nothing is happening now, therefore there is no I and you and all that, you will feel that it is totally illogical and not true because you really experience time. It is an experience. Nobody can help that. You are experiencing time, you are experiencing space, you are experiencing a you in your body. These are all real. Simply telling there is no time, there is no space will not help. So, today again some revelation has come. I don't know, revelation, I don't know how to explain. It's coming, it's not, it's not my thought. Some thought is coming, some ideas are coming. It's not, mine or yours or anybody's. There is a thought. And somehow that thought, is going to the YouTube. That's all. So what I am telling is, diametrically opposite to your experience. That is a big problem. So I thought I will address that issue now. Now, actually, what is happening? If anything to happen, you need a framework. Nothing can happen in a vacuum. Just like in a football ground, you need a border. Isn't it? 4 rectangular ground you need. Then there will be some rules. The goalie will be there. You have to put goal that side. Referee will be there. Nowadays, fans are there. Before COVID, there used to be a lot of fans and a lot of sound and all that. Nowadays, it is not there. Without spectators, they are playing football. But still, framework is there. There is a ground. That ground has got prescribed, square ground. There is a goalie. There is a goal post. You have to put the goal. Whoever puts maximum goal will win the game. Can you play football without a football ground? Without a goal post? Without a ball? Without players? All these things are required for a football. Now, if you take anything what is happening now, you need a framework. Without a framework, in a vacuum, nothing can happen. So for you, actually, there is something happening. Why? Why it is so? Because you have created a framework. That framework was not there when you were in the mother's womb. That framework was not there maybe 18 months or 2 years, whatever. It depends from person to person. So you do not remember anything before your 18 months of age. Then what is happening at the 18 months or 24 months? What is happening? From out of somewhere a framework is created. I call it prison. In one of my previous videos, I talked about prison. So the moment you make a framework, that framework consists of, already I told you, again I will repeat. If somebody has not seen that video, for their benefit, I am telling. That framework is like a prison. There are 4 walls: time, space, memory, imagination, and a false eye. That is the roof. And all these things are created. These are all created timelessly. If you go back into your memory lane, you will not find any sequence in creation. Suddenly, it's a twist. From unknowing, we are coming to knowing. Without time, it happens. Without time, that framework is created. Time, space, memory, imagination, and an I. Then I will start, doing so many things. Things will start happening because time is there. Na? Something has to happen if there is time. If there is no time, nothing will happen. There is space. So if there is space, there will have to be objects. If there are no objects, the space cannot exist. It's a meaningless space. Then since time is there, things are happening in time. So memory is created. With that memory, future is projected. So this is all, because of that framework. If you look from that framework, from that prison, you will be fully convinced that it is happening. For somebody who is sitting in that prison, there is actually something is happening. There is no way, for him to understand that nothing is happening. But if you can, destroy any one of these four walls, then you will understand nothing is happening. In that prison video, I have already told you how you can do, because you cannot destroy. Memory you cannot destroy, because without memory you are not there. There is no point. It is as good as committing suicide or sleeping forever. That is not a very advantageous position. This is this is a mission impossible. You will have to get up inside the dream. Something like that. I am putting words, for. So long as you are in this prison of time, space, memory, imagination, and a false I, this happening will continue, and it will be real for you. It's a small video, very simple thing, anybody who have got some thinking power can understand. I am not talking any rocket science. Just tell me which one is real in that framework. Is time real? Is space real? Is imagination real? Is memory real? Is your false identification with the body real? None of them are real. Simple, very, 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 very simple. Within no time you can understand. The moment you understand that concept, a process will set in. Then your mind will not keep quiet. It will go on, investigating. Okay, there is a possibility. Then what is happening? Where am I? All sorts of questions will come. And if you pursue that line, some point of time, you will come to my side. Okay, good luck. Bye.